probably the most challenging part is trying to get the harness through the elongated holes that are provided in the sports bar. You're going to want to disconnect the switch plug. As you can see that I don't have the switch wired up on mine, but these are the plugs that would tie into the harness. The other thing you're going to want to do is remove the fuse that would wire up to your battery. Once you have these disconnected, you're going to want to run those through the circular hole on the bottom, going in from the inside the box outside, and pull it all the way through. And when you pull it through, the sports bar plug should bottom out, preventing you from pulling it all the way through. So you're going to want to run it from the ends of the harness all the way through the front driver's side tube, all the way towards the bottom. This is the tricky part though. You'll notice that within the harness is included is this wire loom. The loom diameter is too large to go through this slotted hole. You simply have to remove the tape that's at the end of it, both ends of it, and it should expose the wire, still taped up, but this is small enough that you can run it through the elongated hole. Once you run the rest of the harness all the way through, you can go ahead and put the loom back on. And then once you have all this set up, then you can go back and either tighten down the existing driver's side tube if you already have it assembled, or you can just fully assemble it.